Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you my makeup haul. So which products I use to do my makeup, and this is for beginners which is very affordable. So let's start. At first I use Johnson baby tissue, which is somehow is not in my room now. After that I use Jove's rose toner, which is this. You can afford this is very reasonable, 167. And then I use minimalist moisturizer, which is priced $5.99. Then I use Mr. Pro primer, which is priced $5.95. Then I use Faces Canada stroke cream. You can also use Nykaa stroke cream or NY base stroke cream, and this is priced $5.99. Then I use Kryolan Supra palette for base makeup, which is priced $3,000. If you can't afford this, you can have PAC Spotlight foundation, which is priced $1,099, or otherwise you can use any other foundation which is in your shade. And then I use concealer from the same palette. Then I use Kryolan translucent powder to set my makeup. You can use any other translucent powder which is waterproof. You can use NY Bay powder, Inside Cosmetics powder. And then I use iMagic Professional 4-color contour palette. And next I use iMagic Touch blush palette. And next I use highlighter from Hozo brand, which gives very glossy, shiny and smooth surface in your face. And then I use these two eyeshadow palettes, which is Period Set and Delancey. If you can't afford these two, you can use any eyeshadow palettes which is very glossy and pigmented. And then I use Delancey lip palette. Next I use Lakme Insta Liner and Maybelline Colossal Waterproof Mascara. And finally, I'm going to show you some of my lipstick shades, which are my very favorite shades. Red, these three nude shades, the very pigmented purple shade from Akash liquid lipstick. And now I have added these two very glossy and matte finish nude shades, which are from Beauty Berry Velvet Non-Transfer Lip Gloss. And right now I am having this shade in my lip. I will show my makeup brush set in another video. Till then, bye bye.